half a cup of oil. And then we do half a cup of free eggs. Then 3 tablespoons of water. Next we stir. Now we're gonna fast forward. Next we get our pan. And then we spray with cooking oil. Next, we pour in the brownie mix. Next, we put this in the oven. Then we wait for 30 minutes. Now we just have to let it cool off.
What's wrong? Is it hot? You got a hot spot? A little hot spot?
For more videos, like and